guys, welcome to our channel. Guys, in today's video we are gonna share with you spicy Korean chicken recipe, and I suggest all of you to watch till the end because I will be sharing with you all the cooking tips for this beautiful recipe, guys. Guys, if you like our video, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, for this beautiful recipe, we are gonna need these ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and start with vegetable oil. So vegetable oil, guys, we are gonna use 2 tablespoons. Then we are gonna use soy sauce, in total 2 tablespoons. Tomato, it is pepper paste actually. For those of you who don't have pepper paste, you can use tomato paste. In total, we are gonna use 3 tablespoons. Then guys, ketchup, standard ketchup that you have at home, 1 tablespoon. Honey, in total we are gonna use 2 tablespoons. Then we are gonna use half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, black pepper, and then 2 tablespoons of red hot chili pepper, guys. Then we are gonna use 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Then guys, I'm coming to ginger. So ginger, we are gonna need this much. It is approximately the size of my finger, half of the finger. Then in total, we are gonna use 6 pieces of garlic. In total, we are gonna use chicken breast. It is approximately 300 grams, guys. And then we are gonna need 1 piece of green onion, guys. So let's do it. So guys, I have prepared all the ingredients. Right now I'm gonna make a sauce first of all. For that, I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 1 and then 2. Then the sauce, 2 tablespoons. 1 and then 2. Guys, it's time for the pepper paste. We are gonna use in total 3 tablespoons. So this is 1, 2, 3. Guys, it's time for the ketchup. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. Now time for the honey. For those of you who do not want to use honey or have allergy, you can use 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of honey. This is 2. For the red hot chili pepper. So if you want it to be more spicy, you can add 1 more tablespoon to what I'm adding. So what I'm using 2 tablespoons, guys. 1 and then 2. If you want it to be spicy, you can use 3 tablespoons, guys. For the salt and pepper, so half teaspoon of pepper and half teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add our minced garlic. In total, I've used 6 pieces of garlic. Now guys, I'm gonna add ginger, half finger size of ginger, minced also. Now what we're gonna do is we are gonna make sure we mix them well. So guys, after mixing it for 2 minutes, we are gonna add 1 tablespoon of still water. That's it. And we are gonna mix it for 2 more minutes. So to make sure all of it will be mixed and the taste will be even everywhere. So guys, it has been 2 minutes more and we've mixed it. This is how it's gonna look like. You see? Very thick, and it smells already very good. So what I did was I have cut chicken breast into very small pieces, like bite size. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add all of them to our sauce. After mixing it, make sure first you mix the chicken breast pieces with the sauce the way I'm doing right now. And very important part is to rest the chicken with the sauce for about 5 minutes, guys. You see the color like this? It shouldn't be open, it should be all covered with the sauce. Guys, after mixing them well, let the chicken rest with the spices for 5 minutes. So chicken will soak all the spices and all the soya sauce taste and pepper paste taste, everything. Guys, let's start cooking. Right now I'm gonna open the fire on the highest level. Once the pan gets hot, we are gonna add our chicken here. No oil, nothing, guys. Just make sure that the pan is hot. Now guys, it's time for the chicken to go in. First, let it grate. First, you lay it down all, and then after that, you start mixing. So guys, you see how it's boiling? When you see it's boiling, you just keep mixing. This is what I did. And when the color of the chicken, you see here, like half brown and half white, this is the time when it's ready. Our chicken is ready. Close the fire, guys. Guys, time to serve. Yummy, yummy. Guys, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Loving the smell. Guys, we are gonna add our fresh green onions chopped thinly. Then guys, what we do is we take sesame seeds and we sprinkle sesame seeds onto our spicy Korean chicken. That's it, guys. Voila guys, bon appetit. Thank you for watching us, guys. Try this recipe out and let us know in the comments what do you think about this spicy Korean chicken, guys. Guys, also if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel. And also if you are already a subscriber in our channel, give us some love in the comments, guys. Thank you for watching us again. Wishing you all to have a nice and cozy evening, guys. Goodbye.